Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to today's video. Now today I'm just going to be doing a relapse of my previous video, how to write an episode 1. Now someone asked me in the comment section to put up a video basically where I explain how to do coding yourself. Now what he wanted to know is, instead of copying my code, he wanted to know how to write his own code. So basically you just want to start off by opening up your CMD and then typing help. Now this is a fairly simple thing to do. It gives you a line of codes. Now obviously this isn't all the codes, as Microsoft don't want anyone to see the codes that can really do damage, but here you will find your shutdown code, your recover code, your set, your make directory, whatever. It'll basically show all the main non-standard codes, or standard codes if you'd rather. And then next thing you want to go is go to Google and then Google something about batch coding. Let's say you want to turn your computer off. How to turn computer off with CMD. All you do, and you will find, if you read through, you will find codes. You see there shows the shutdown code with 60 seconds. Now you can basically do anything here. How to make a directory in CMD, and it'll give you everything you needed to know. So basically the only thing you need will be your CMD help window and your internet. That is literally all you will need. And then obviously you want to go to Notepad and start doing them. Now to give an example, I'm going to say mkdir. If you read through it, you will see it creates a directory. So if you say mkdir and you say random, just because we want a random number, DOM. Putting percentage username percentage, actually it replaces your username that you need, so this line of code will actually work on all computers. So if you say save as, and remember save as a .bat file, so we want to say virus.bat save. I'm actually gonna have to do it like this. I was hoping not to show you guys my desktop, but here you see a random folder. If I click it again, another random folder will appear, and again and again and again and again and again and again and again, and so you can actually loop it to fill the person's computer up. So let me give you an example of that. If I say go here and I say edit, I can say this is command A, and I can say go to command A. I save it. This will actually keep running until I stop it, and then boom. Easiest way to delete that, say like this, sort by type, no, sort by size actually, and then it'll give all the empty folders near each other. So you just have to scroll down and you'll see it makes a crap ton. Don't want to delete that. 1441 folders in that few seconds, and trust me, if the person doesn't know how to delete it, it'll be quite an annoying feature. So that's basically all I can tell you is use your CMD, use your help command, use your internet's Google to see what to do, where to do it. You can Google anything you wanted to do. If you wanted to say how can I write a virus in CMD, you will even find commands of this, and this isn't even my video. There are so many things to do. That's the type of things that I can do, but stuff that I can't do is write into registries, delete files that I think might be harmful, delete a file that keeps rearranging itself, because in CMD Microsoft has actually, because it's so accessible, they've closed down the access for your MS-DOS. They've basically said this is a thing that can be used in a harmful way, you're not allowed to use it, so you have to ask a administrator rights. It's such a long code, and it's more the thing of I don't even understand the code, I don't even begin to comprehend the code. I've tried to break the code down into sections and see what each command does, but it just gives me a crap ton of errors. So there is a limit to what you can and cannot do. With other languages, it's more along the lines of entering it in and everything works, but in a specific combination, antivirus blocks it because it can be harmful. So that's the only advice I can really give you to start coding, is find the language that you think will be most applicable. Start with an easy language. Something like C++ is going to be hard to understand in the beginning. I'm not saying it's impossible, it is possible, but it's going to be hard in the beginning because there is a lot of codes and there's a lot of things you need to do in C++. Like you have to start your hello world, you have to start your command in a specific way. In CMD you just say I want this, I want that, I want that, and everything works. So find yourself an easy language you can understand how it works, and then after that you can move up to your next language. It'll be a bit difficult to transcend from the one language to the other, but once you get your hands on the new language, it'll be pretty easy going because you already understand how coding works and how the commands work. So that's basically all I can tell you, that's all I can give to you. It's just find your language that you want to start with. Decide where you want to use it. Is it just going to be on your computer? Is it going to be on other people's computer where you have to download a compiler to do it and whatnot? And then just start coding. If you want to know how to do this, go Google it. Read for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll know exactly what code to use, how the code works, in what order to use the code. So it's all about Googling, really. Google learned me how to do MS-DOS coding. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.